Friends who want to earn money from YouTube must watch this video. They will get answers to many questions and will help you to make your YouTube channel successful. Any successful blogger or freelancer has to come to YouTube one day or the other. Now their goal is not to make money. However, everyone wants to gain fame. So don't delay, create your YouTube channel today. Then whether you are a teacher, a student, a businessman, working, at least about yourself or about your work, create a YouTube channel of 10 to 15 videos. Be sure to upload it. YouTube subscribers and watch time. In the beginning you have to create your YouTube channel, give it a good name, add your YouTube channel logo and channel art. Now you have to get your first 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. Your YouTube channel will be monetized. The only way to monetize YouTube channel is Google AdSense, which you have to get approved. So before working on YouTube you must read YouTube policy once so that when you start working, you will get Google AdSense. Get the approval easily and you don't have to face any kind of tension. Tips for YouTube videos. To be successful on YouTube, you have to make your own videos. Whenever you make a video, be careful not to use someone else's copyrighted content. This may result in copyright on your video. You can also be deleted by YouTube if your YouTube channel has repeated copyright issues or if you violate YouTube community guidelines. You will never be successful on YouTube. YouTube's system is very advanced. Even if you become successful on YouTube for a short period of time, your success will not last for long, so whatever you do, do it thoughtfully, someone else's video, music, etc. Do not use in your video. If you want free music, you will get free music from YouTube's music library. You can also use it in your videos. Earn money from YouTube services. Apart from earning money from YouTube, if your channel is in the initial stages and you are not getting income, then you can also earn money by selling YouTube services like video editing, script writing, YouTube channel logo and channel art, etc. Channel's social media accounts. Whenever you create a YouTube channel, you must create social media accounts because from social media you can get good traffic and also on Facebook page you can earn money by uploading your videos, this Facebook monetization service. Currently, it is not for Pakistanis, but it can be hoped that soon Pakistanis will also get this service from Facebook. Even now some people are earning money from Facebook page, but they make page admin from other country which has Facebook monetization facility. Also help new YouTubers in Facebook groups if they are facing problems, then help them as much as possible in